They thought you'd crumble, didn't they? Thought you'd fall to your knees, plead for them to stay. But oh, how wrong they were. You stood tall, proud and unshaken. And now they see. They know you were the one thing they couldn't buy, couldn't break, couldn't replace. You didn't beg. Begging isn't in your blood. You weren't built to grovel. You were built to thrive, to shine, to rise above the chaos. That's what sets you apart. That's what makes you the real deal. Others begged them, cried for them, made fools of themselves just to keep their attention. But you walked away, with your dignity intact, with your head held high. Now, every step you take away from them echoes in their minds like a haunting melody. They thought they'd find someone better, didn't they? Someone who'd worship them, put them on a pedestal. But here's the kicker: they didn't find better. They found emptiness. They found out what it feels like to lose the real thing. You were the calm in their storm, the anchor they didn't know they needed. And now, as they drift aimlessly, they finally understand what they had. But it's too late. You've already moved on, leaving them to drown in their own arrogance. They're used to people chasing them, begging for scraps of attention, clinging to their every word. But you shattered that illusion. You made them realize they're not as special as they thought, that they too can be left behind. You didn't chase after them because you knew your worth. You knew that no one, no matter how charming, no matter how enticing, is worth losing yourself for. And now, they're left wondering how they could have let someone like you slip through their fingers. Oh, they're haunted now, aren't they? Haunted by the memory of your strength, your poise, your unwavering sense of self. Because you didn't just walk away. You walked away with the kind of grace that's unforgettable. They didn't realize it then, but you were their mirror. You reflected their flaws, their insecurities, their shortcomings. And instead of facing those truths, they let you go. Now every time they look in the mirror, they see the void you left behind. They thought you'd fall apart without them, thought you'd come crawling back, begging for another chance. But you didn't. And that silence, that unspoken rejection, it's louder than any words you could have said. Now they know they lost the real deal. They know because no one else compares. No one else carries the same light, the same fire, the same undeniable presence. They're searching for you in every face they meet, and they're coming up empty. You didn't beg because you're not desperate. Desperation is for those who don't know their worth. And you're priceless. You're one of a kind. They'll spend the rest of their lives regretting the day they let you go. It's funny, isn't it? How people only realize the value of something once it's gone. They didn't appreciate your loyalty, your kindness, your authenticity. They took it all for granted, thinking you'd always be there. But now they see. Now they're stuck with the weight of their choices, the burden of their mistakes. And you're free. Free to live, to love, to find someone who sees your worth from the start. Someone who doesn't need to lose you to understand your value. They're angry, frustrated, lost, not because of you, but because of themselves. Because deep down they know they messed up. They know they had something real, something rare, and they let it slip away. They'll try to pretend they're fine, try to act like they don't care. But you and I both know the truth. They're hurting, questioning, wishing they could turn back time. But time doesn't work that way, does it? It moves forward just like you. And while they're stuck in the past, replaying their mistakes, you're building a future that's brighter than anything they could have given you. They thought their absence would break you, thought it would leave you hollow, lost, searching for answers. But instead, it became your strength. Their departure was your awakening, your liberation. You didn't beg because you knew something they didn't. The right people don't need to be begged to stay. The right people see your worth and fight to be in your life. And they weren't the right people. Now they're left with their ego, their pride, their false sense of superiority. But what good is pride when it keeps you from happiness? What good is ego when it leaves you alone, staring at the walls, wishing for something you'll never have again? You didn't beg because you understood the power of letting go. Letting go of people who don't value you. Letting go of situations that don't serve you. Letting go of the past so you can embrace the future. And what a future it is. A future filled with possibilities, with joy, with love that's real and true. A future where you're surrounded by people who see you for the treasure you are. They thought they could replace you, thought they could fill the void with someone new. But you can't replace the real deal. You can't replicate authenticity, kindness, strength. Those are rare, and they're yours. Oh, how their nights must feel endless now. Lying awake, staring at the ceiling, replaying every word, every moment, every chance they squandered. Because it's in those quiet hours, away from the noise of their pretend lives, that the truth creeps in. The truth that they lost you. Their pride was their armor, but it was also their downfall. They thought their silence would make you question yourself, make you doubt your worth. But instead, it exposed their weakness. Pride may keep them standing, but it's also what keeps them lonely. The irony of their regret is poetic, isn't it? They pushed you away, thinking it made them stronger. But now, they're the ones weakened by the void you left behind. And you? You're thriving. You turned their rejection into your revolution. They'll scroll through memories, looking at old photos, rereading messages they once ignored, hoping to find some semblance of comfort. But comfort won't come. Regret is the only company they'll keep. You were the spark that lit up their mundane world, the one who made their ordinary feel extraordinary. And now, in your absence, everything feels dim. They thought they could find that light elsewhere, but all they found is shadows. Let them pretend. Let them plaster on those fake smiles, laugh too loudly in crowded rooms. You and I both know the truth. Behind every forced laugh is a pang of regret, a moment of realization that they'll never find someone like you again. Oh, how they must envy you now. The way you carried yourself with grace, the way you held your head high even in the face of their rejection. They'll never admit it, but deep down they admire the strength they tried so hard to break. Their world is now filled with what-ifs. What if they'd treated you better? What if they'd seen your worth? What if they'd chosen differently? But here's the thing about what-ifs. They're nothing more than echoes of missed opportunities. You see, they underestimated you. They thought you'd crumble, thought you'd fade away like a forgotten memory. But you've done the opposite. You've risen, you've flourished, and now you're more unforgettable than ever. Their ego was their shield, but it's also their prison. It keeps them from reaching out, from apologizing, from admitting they were wrong. And that's the tragedy. They've built a wall so high, even they can't climb it. The beauty of your strength lies in its quietness. You didn't need to shout, didn't need to prove yourself to them. Your resilience spoke louder than any words ever could, and now they hear that silence loud and clear. They thought they could play games with your heart, but you were never a player in their game. You were the game changer, the one who flipped the script, the one who refused to play by their rules. And that's why they'll never forget you. They've tried to replace you, haven't they? Tried to find someone who could fill the space you left behind. But it's impossible because you weren't just someone. They're now learning that you were the one. Every success you achieve, every moment of happiness you share is a reminder of what they lost. It's not about revenge. It's about showing them that their absence didn't break you. It only made you stronger. They'll try to numb the pain, distract themselves with shallow connections and fleeting moments. But no matter how hard they try, the memory of you will linger. You'll always be the one that got away. The beauty of your journey is that it no longer revolves around them. You've taken control of your narrative, written your own story, and left them behind in the prologue. They'll never get to read the rest. Their regret is a slow burn they can't extinguish. It simmers beneath the surface, flaring up in moments of quiet reflection, reminding them of what they had and what they lost. Oh, how the tables have turned. They thought they were the prize, thought they held the power. But now they see that you were the treasure all along. And treasures like you aren't easily replaced. They'll tell themselves lies to cope, create stories to justify their actions. But deep down they know the truth. They know they had something real, something rare, and they let it slip through their fingers. They thought time would heal their wounds, that they could move on without a second thought. But time doesn't heal regret, it amplifies it. And with every passing day, their loss becomes more apparent. They'll never admit it, but they've lost a part of themselves in losing you. Because you weren't just in their life, you became a part of their soul, a part they'll never get back. Let them stew in their regret. Let them sit with their choices. It's not your burden to bear anymore. You shed that weight, walked away, and built a life that's brighter and better without them. Your absence is the loudest lesson they'll ever learn. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need anyone who doesn't see your worth. And now they're learning that lesson the hard way. They'll never forget you, not because you begged for their attention, but because you didn't. Because you walked away with dignity, with strength, with the kind of self-respect they'll never find in anyone else. So let them live with their regret. Let them drown in their what-ifs. Because while they're stuck in the past, you're building a future that's brighter, bolder, and better than they ever imagined. You didn't beg, you didn't chase, you didn't crumble. And that's what makes you unforgettable. That's what makes you the real deal. No matter where life takes them, they'll carry the weight of that truth forever. Now they know. Now they see. And now they'll spend the rest of their lives chasing shadows, trying to find something they'll never have again. That's their lesson to learn, their burden to bear. And while they're stuck in their regrets, you'll rise. You'll shine. You'll be everything they couldn't handle, everything they couldn't appreciate. So let them live with their choices. Let them feel the sting of your absence, because you didn't beg, and that's what makes you unforgettable. That's what makes you the real deal, and they'll never forget it.